Umintri rangba Jylla konrad ki sangma habakrench kilat pathai Khubor haka ar pulai terik rempang arajar arpundriu halor kajing Pynneh Pynsah ik Tyllong ulong ba Jylla kadon arteli ki Tyllong bam umdi kata hatura bat ke Shillong kiba pendap ya ko bam umdi hakini ki arteli ki nong ba jong Jylla ukonrad ulong ba ki don bun ki program hapo ke MDMA ki bawa jing tip halor kajing don ki Tyllong hakeleng bat ban yadai ki da ke bathung ding bat ban sha iki dam ha kabaya kani klale ka jinga lang rengkat bat kishnong kithau ka green Meghalaya ka de ka wei niki program kiba ka sorkar kalale ban yada ban Pynneh Pynsah iki klau ki betap bat iki umbam umdi ban pensniu knang bei ki Tyllong en Pynneh Pynsah.
As mentioned earlier also that we have two large EAPs, or rather one large EAP protecting two catchment areas, mainly the Shillong catchment and the Tyllong catchment area. Those projects are already going on, and these are the main catchment areas for at least the two largest towns, city and town. And apart from that also there are local interventions that we are doing at the local level. So there are many programs, for example under the MBMA and under the salt conservation. So they are mapping different springs, different catchment areas, and going for different protections like plantation of trees or putting up of check dams. So these are all being done under that, and these are again it's being done in line with the communities and the local people, so that they are involved. And therefore projects like for example the Green Meghalaya or Green Meghalaya Plus program that is already being done. So those are programs where we reserve and preserve existing forest areas and cover areas, and we incentivize people not to destroy trees so that the catchment areas are protected. So there are multiple programs, multiple schemes. Objective is same, to preserve the catchment area, to rejuvenate the springs, and to be able to slow the flow of the water. All of these are being done by multiple schemes. I don't have all the details of all the programs with me. Yeah, so there's a full climate budget. You can always go through it. There's a full climate budget of all the aspects of every single program that is going on. You'll be able to understand the whole thing.
So many have.
Areas we are not getting the response desired. In some areas the financial implications are higher. Somewhere the community needs to be discussed with further. So we are examining that. Everything has a financial impact, so we are going to examine and see how we can move forward in this, because as you're aware, we have got large financial commitments in general in many places, so it will not be possible for us to put everything into the catchment area alone. So we have to balance it out, but definitely we are examining wherever it's possible to look into that option.